Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man Jake, and we're about to drop into one of the most amazing, energetic, and historically rich cities on the planet, Berlin. From historic sites and vibrant food to epic nightlife, Berlin has everything a solo traveler could want. So if you're ready to explore a city that's constantly buzzing, where you can wander down cobblestone streets or party till the sun comes up, then buckle up. We're diving headfirst into the heart of Berlin. First things first, you gotta understand something about Berlin. This city has seen some things, man. It's been through wars, divided by walls, and come out the other side stronger and more vibrant than ever. And there's no better place to feel that history than at the Berlin Wall Memorial. This isn't just some tourist trap, this place will hit you in the gut. You're standing there, looking at this wall, and you can practically feel the weight of history pressing down on you. It's a powerful reminder of the Cold War, of families separated, and a city literally cut in half. The East Side Gallery, a stretch of the wall covered in incredible artwork, is a testament to that spirit. Walking along the East Side Gallery, you'll see murals and graffiti from artists all over the world. Each piece tells a story, a message of hope, peace, and the power of breaking down barriers. Alright, so you've had your history lesson, now it's time to get your culture on, and there's no better place to do that than Museum Island. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to 5 world-class museums, each one packing a serious punch of art, history, and artifacts. We're talking about the Pergamon Museum with its ancient Babylonian Ishtar Gate, the Neues Museum with the bust of Nefertiti, and the Altes Museum with its collection of Greek and Roman antiquities. Seriously, you could spend days here and still not see everything. Even if you just wander through the halls, soaking it all in, you're guaranteed to leave feeling inspired. And hey, if you need a break from all that culture, just grab a coffee at one of the cafes on the island and chill by the Spree River. Museum Island isn't just about dusty artifacts, it's about experiencing the heart and soul of Berlin's cultural scene. One of the best things about Berlin is how solo traveler friendly it is. And a huge part of that is the incredible hostel scene. Seriously, these aren't your dingy, cramped hostels. We're talking about stylish, social hubs where you can meet fellow adventurers from around the globe. And the best part, it doesn't have to break the bank. You can find awesome hostels starting at just 20 euros a night. That leaves you with more cash to spend on exploring the city, trying new foods, and maybe grabbing a beer or two with your new hostel buddies. Because that's what hostels are all about, right? It's not just about finding a place to crash, it's about connecting with people, sharing stories, and maybe even getting some insider tips on the best hidden gems in the city. Alright, let's talk food. Berlin is a foodie paradise, but there's one dish that's practically synonymous with the city, currywurst. This iconic street food is as simple as it gets. Grilled and sliced pork sausage, slathered in a tangy curry ketchup, and sprinkled with curry powder. It's messy, it's flavorful, and it's the perfect on-the-go snack after a long day of exploring. You'll find currywurst stands all over the city, each with its own unique twist on the classic recipe. Some add a squeeze of mayo, others pile on the onions, but one thing's for sure, you're in for a taste explosion. Grab a currywurst from a street vendor, find a bench in a park, and watch the world go by. This is Berlin in a nutshell, unpretentious, delicious, and always full of life. Berlin is a city that knows how to party, and nowhere is that more evident than in its legendary techno clubs. We're talking about massive warehouses, pulsating beats, and a crowd that's there for one reason, to dance. This isn't your average club scene, this is an immersive experience that'll leave you buzzing for days. From the iconic Berghain, known for its strict door policy and marathon parties, to the more intimate Tresor, housed in a former power plant, Berlin's techno clubs are a world unto themselves. It's about letting loose, being yourself, and connecting with people on the dance floor. So grab your friends, or make some new ones, and dive headfirst into Berlin's electrifying nightlife. So there you have it, folks. Berlin is more than just a city. It's a vibe, an experience, a whirlwind of history, culture, and good times. From museums and murals to dancing till dawn, Berlin is the ultimate playground for solo explorers. It gets under your skin, ignites your senses, and leaves you wanting more. So pack light, stay curious, and get ready for the time of your life. I promise, you won't regret it.